Sup everyone, this is Elijah from Financial Anatomy, and this is the place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. Y'all already know by now, this is the channel where we talk about personal finance, apps that involve money, and we recently started branching off into reviewing credit cards. In this video, we're going to be covering the Venmo app and how you can withdraw money out of your Venmo account. This goes without saying, but you do actually need money in your account first, so we're going to assume that that's already been taken care of. So you want to start off by opening the Venmo app up. Then you want to click on the Me icon in the bottom right hand corner. Once here, you want to click on Transfer, and you'll have the option of withdrawing money from a bank account or to a debit card. Now, if you want a bank account, you want to pick the option that's on the right where it says 1 to 3 business days. Keep in mind that's how long it will take. If you want to withdraw the money to a debit card, keep in mind that there will be a fee, but you'll see what the fee is before you do it, and you want to click the instant option. For this example, I'm going to be using a debit card, and I don't want to transfer the full amount. I just want to transfer $5. So I'm clicking on the balance. I'm going to select $5. As we see, the fee is 25 cents, but I would like to have it go to a different debit card. So where it says transfer to, I'm going to click on that and select the debit card that I want to use, which is this one. Now that that's done, just click on transfer the money. And it says that the transfer has been initiated, and click on close. Now when we look at our transaction history, it shows that the transfer has been completed and the money has been withdrawn from my Venmo account into my Revolut account. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new and hit that thumbs up if you found value in this video. And if you have other questions about the Venmo app and how to do certain things, you want to check out my Venmo playlist that's linked on the screen right now and also in the description to get more answers about how to do things with the Venmo app. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.